GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the hardcore analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new and like the video as well. Press the bell notification and below the video, you will find some links. So you can go and check out these links in your free time. The one link which I want to mention is this join monthly membership. So you can click on this link by the end of this video and check out the benefits you can get from this monthly membership if you would like to join. Okay, so go and check this out as well. And this membership includes but not limited to doing the hardcore detailed analysis of these 15 pairs every Saturday, Sunday. Okay, now let's get back to GBPUSD. And before that, one more thing. For those people who trade NZD-USD, I don't do a separate analysis on NZD-USD. But you can watch my AUD-USD analysis video on my channel, and that's like same thing as NZD-USD, okay? So you can go ahead and trade NZD-USD as well. You need the analysis. For that, you can go and watch my AUD-USD videos. I will not make any separate videos for NZD-USD. I hope everything is clear, okay? Coming back to GBP-USD now, starting with the weekly top-down approach. So we have touched the previous high. So this long wick has broken the previous highs. So it's all good. Now in the weekly, you can clearly see the last week's candle has eaten the previous blue candle in the weekly chart. Okay, so this red candle means that we should be taking a pullback in weekly or maybe starting the trend reversal. But who the fuck cares about weekly, right? Weekly is like 5 days. Nobody wants to trade in weekly. So, but to give you an idea, okay? Give you an idea. In weekly, this candle has been eaten by the red candle. So we might be starting trend reversal in weekly, which is a long time to come. Let's get back to our senses in daily chart. So in daily chart, if you look at my eyes, let's use this line again. So if you place it right here, there you go. So what do we see? You see, what I see is a double bottom. Okay, what I see is that this low was not able to break this previous low so far. Okay, so there are, I have explained this in my Euro USD video already. So GBPUSD and EURUSD are more likely less, 90% same. Okay, not exactly same, but 90% same. So EURUSD right now has the same situation where, in EURUSD you had double bottom. In GBPUSD, I can see the same thing. Double bottom, which means this low, this candle did not break the previous low. Okay, so there are two ways to see it. First, uptrend. So we made a new high, and these three red candles has eaten the previous high. Okay. So the previous high is eaten, which means the previous candle is eaten, which means that this is the start of a new downtrend. Okay. So these four red candles have started a new downtrend. Now we are in the pullback. After the pullback, we'll continue the downtrend. Okay. Coming back to 4 hour again here. In 4 hour, we are already below the EMA, but we have gone up. Then the big candle eaten all this. So again, if you notice this red candle, this is again a double bottom because this candle did not break this previous low. Previous low was at 32.70 and this is at 32.739. So again, this is a double bottom, which means short-term trend reversal. Okay. The difference between Euro USD, GBP USD is that you can go and enter GBP USD buy right now because in Euro USD, blue candle still had not eaten the previous red candle, but in this GBPUSD, this candle on 5th of May, this blue candle of 5th of May has eaten this red candle of 2nd of May. Okay, so you can clearly see this engulfing candle eaten the previous red candle, which means now this is a short-term trend reversal for at least 24 hours or maybe for the next 15 hours at least. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that you can enter trade right now and you can take your 60, 70, 80 up to 100 pips and just get out of the trade. Okay. So this is a double bottom in 4 hours in daily. Then I have shown you double bottom in 4 hours as well. And then this candle has eaten the red candle. So we are clearly going for the buy trades at present. So don't forget the whole trend is up. Okay. So weekly time frame and daily time frame is still up. So we are in the this uptrend. But this is a pullback of the trend reversal, I'm saying, okay? This is a new trend. This is a new downtrend, but we will be taking a pullback. So if we take a pullback, we can still get our 70, 80 pips. I hope you understand what I mean, okay? If you don't, that's fine because, you need live action. So what I'm telling you right now, that is based on when I'm recording the video. when I'm uploading, the video. So these are different times. I'm recording it, I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching the video at a different time, and the trades are happening at a different time live. Okay. So if you need live trading signals and everything, make sure you go and check out the first link below, join my monthly membership and all that. Okay. That's where I'll send you everything live, when to enter, when to exit, everything, right? Okay. So if you like what you see, of course you like what you see. That's why you're here. Subscribe, like, share this content with your friends, because not many people know this. That's one thing. Okay. Not everybody knows this kind of knowledge. Second, if they know it, they will not share this for free. Do you understand? I'm giving you thousands of dollars of worth content for free for now. So go ahead, share, subscribe, like, join the membership if you want, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, have a good day.